हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीवियस लेक्चर के कंटिन्यूएशन में आज हम स्टडी करेंगे इन स्ट्रेट लाइन वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन and we will solve exercise 11.5. In this exercise you have to find equation of line under given conditions. Which form you will apply depends on conditions given in the question, and these conditions are: first, equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis; second, parallel to y-axis; point slope form, 2-point form, and slope intercept form. It is a known topic for you. You have already studied in class 10th. तो चलिए वन बाय वन रिवाइज करते हैं. वी आर कंसिडरिंग फर्स्ट कंडीशन, इक्वेशन ऑफ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. Any line which is parallel to x axis, its equation will be in the form, suppose this distance is h, its equation will be y is equal to h, because at every point on this straight line y coordinate will be h. x coordinate vary करेगा. This is 0, h. Point to point x coordinate will change, but y coordinate will remain same. So the equation of this line will be given by y is equal to h, where h is the distance of the line from x axis. Second condition, equation of a straight line parallel to y axis. If a line is parallel to y axis, then what will be its equation? This is the line parallel to y axis, then its distance from y axis will remain same at every point. Let its distance is k. इस लाइन की इक्वेशन हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है और ये y एक्सिस से k डिस्टेंस पर है. इट मींस एट एवरी पॉइंट ऑन दिस लाइन x कोऑर्डिनेट विल रिमेन सेम. x कोऑर्डिनेट k होगा और y कोऑर्डिनेट वेरी करेगा. एट दिस पॉइंट y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0 और किसी भी पॉइंट पर आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे y कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी चेंज. So the equation of this line will given by x is equal to k, because x coordinate is constant at every point. Any equation which is parallel to y-axis will be given by x is equal to k, where k is the distance of line from y-axis. Third condition, if a point on the line is given and slope of line is given. Suppose we have to find the equation of this line AB, and m is the slope of this line, and a point x1 y1 is lies on it. Two conditions are given, slope of the line and a point on the line. Then the equation of this line AB will be given by y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, where m is the slope of line and x1 y1 is a point on this line. If inclination is given, then we have to find slope by formula m is equal to tan theta. Next, if slope is not given, we have to find the equation of this line AB, but slope is not given. 2 points on this line are given. First point x1 y1 and second point x2 y2. This is known as 2-point form. Equation of this line will be y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Form number 3 and form number 4 are similar. स्लोप वाले टॉपिक में हमने स्टडी किया था. स्लोप ऑफ अ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 2 पॉइंट्स इज इक्वल टू y2 minus y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1। सिंपली इस फॉर्मूले में हमने स्लोप m को रिप्लेस किया है बाय दिस टर्म। नेक्स्ट कंडीशन, स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म। Suppose we have to find the equation of this line AB and the slope of this line is known, that is m, and one intercept is known. Intercept means इस लाइन ने एक्सेस पर जो पार्ट कट किया है, x इंटरसेप्ट is equal to this length and y intercept is equal to this length. If one intercept is known, suppose first of all y intercept is known, that is c. Slope and y intercept is given. Then the equation of line will be y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y intercept. This is known as general form of a line. इस फॉर्मूले को भी आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. If y intercept is c, it means the point on the line is 0, c. This point P is lies on AB and coordinates of P are 0, c. It means slope and one point is known. So we can apply already studied form y minus y1. This is x1 y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now second case, in this form, if x intercept is known, we want to find equation of AB and x intercept, suppose it is B, is known and slope of the line is m. Then the equation of line, if this is B, it means coordinate of this point P will be B, 0. Now the equation of line whose slope is m and passing through B0 will be y minus y1, that is 0, is equal to m x minus x1, y is equal to m x minus b. और अब आप इसको फॉर्मूले की तरह लर्न कर सकते हैं. इफ m is the slope and b is the x intercept, then the equation of line will be y is equal to m x minus b. Last form, if slope is not known but both intercept are given, if x intercept is a and y intercept is b, then the equation of AB will be x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. अब इन सारे फॉर्मूले को आप लर्न कर लीजिए. नाउ वी आर सॉल्विंग अवर एक्सरसाइज 11.5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस एट अ डिस्टेंस 3 यूनिट्स अबव इट एंड 3 यूनिट्स बिलो इट. स्टार्टिंग में आप इनको ड्रॉ करके सॉल्व करिएगा, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स और ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएंगे. एग्जाम में आप डायरेक्ट इसको फॉर्मूले से लिख सकते हैं. First line is parallel to x-axis and 3 units above it. Suppose this is the line AB and this distance is 3. Second line is 3 units below it, PQ. This distance is 3. First line AB is in positive direction of y-axis and second line PQ is in negative direction of y-axis. So equation of line parallel to x-axis is equal to y is equal to k. This line will be y is equal to plus 3 and equation of this line will be y is equal to minus 3 because of it lies in negative direction. For part first, equation of line is y is equal to 3, y minus 3 is equal to 0, and second part, equation of line y is equal to minus 3, y plus 3 is equal to 0. Second question, find the equation of a straight line parallel to y axis. at a distance 2 units to the right and 2 units to the left. Parallel to y axis, first of all to the right हमने draw किया है. Suppose this is line AB. This is 2 units to the right. This distance is 2. Second is 2 units to the left. This is line PQ and this is at 2 units to the left. Now line AB is in positive direction of x-axis and PQ is in negative direction of x-axis. Parallel to y-axis है, it means equation of this will be x is equal to k. So equation of AB will be x is equal to plus 2 and equation of PB is equal to x is equal to minus 2 because it lies in negative direction. For first part, equation of line x is equal to 2 means x minus 2 is equal to 0, and second part x is equal to minus 2, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Question number 3, part 1, find the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis and having intercept minus 2 on y-axis. पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई इंटरसेप्ट -2 नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में इंटरसेप्ट कट किया है. इट मीन्स इट इज बिलो एक्स एक्सिस. दिस डिस्टेंस इज 2 but in negative direction, so the equation of line will be y is equal to -2. Due to parallel of x axis, its equation will be y is equal to k and the distance is -2. y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now second part, find the equations of lines parallel to axis and passing through the point -2, 3. हमें both the axis के parallel lines find out करनी है, x axis के भी और y axis के भी. Condition हमें given है, lines are passing through -2, 3. सबसे पहले पॉइंट को ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, -2, 3. y कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव है और x कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव है और y कोऑर्डिनेट पॉजिटिव है. -2, 3. सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट -2, 3. We have to find parallel lines parallel to the axis, both the axes. So first of all, we are drawing the line parallel to x-axis. To find line of equation of this line AB. Second line parallel to y-axis. Suppose this line. This is PQ. We have to find equation of AB and PQ. If the coordinate of this point is -2, 3, it means this distance is 2 and this distance is 3. This distance is in negative direction and this is in positive direction. First of all, we are finding equation of AB. That is parallel to x-axis, means y is equal to 3. Distance of AB from x-axis is 3. So the equation will be y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we are finding equation of PQ. That is parallel to y-axis, x is equal to k and the distance from y-axis is -2. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Question number 4. Find the equation of horizontal line passing through the point 5, -2. (5 minus 2). Suppose this is the point 5 minus 2. We have to find horizontal line. Equation of horizontal line means parallel to x-axis. Equation will be y is equal to k and this distance is 2 but in negative direction. So the equation will be y is equal to minus 2. Means y plus 2 is equal to 0. Question number 5, part 1. Find the equation of a line passing through 0, 0 with slope m. Slope हमें given है, 1 point on the line is given. It means slope point form will be applicable. Point form is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Slope is m and this point will be x1 y1. So equation will be y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Y is equal to mx. Second part. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 2, 3. 1 point on the line is given with slope minus 4. Same formula will be applicable. This is x1, y1, y minus y1 and y1 is 3, m is minus 4, x minus x1, x1 is minus 2. Four x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Question number 6. Find the equation of a straight line passing through origin and making an angle 120 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. 1 point on the line is given and inclination is given. With the help of inclination, we can find slope. Slope will be 10 120 degree. 10 180 minus theta minus 10 theta. It means slope is minus under root 3. Now slope is minus under root 3 and line passing through origin 0, 0. So we can apply slope point form. This is value of m and this is x1, y1. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Under root 3 x plus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Question number 7th. The equation of a line whose inclination is 150 degree and intercept on x-axis is minus 3 unit. Inclination is 150 and intercept on x-axis is minus 3. This is 3. Means line is passing through minus 3, 0 और आप डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. First of all, find a slope with the help of inclination. Tan 180 minus theta minus 10 theta. It means slope is minus 1 upon under root 3. Equation of line passing through minus 3, 0 and slope minus 1 upon under root 3. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. अंडर रूट 3y प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. अब देखिए इसमें आप डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इफ द स्लोप इज दिस एंड x इंटरसेप्ट इज minus 3, then formula will be y is equal to mx minus b. If b is the x intercept, it means x plus 3. similar equation you will get. You can apply this formula or this formula, point slope form. Next question. Find the equation of a line passing through the point -1, 1 and which is parallel to the line joining these points. If the given line is parallel to the line joining these points, it means slope of this line and required lines will be equal, because the slope of parallel lines are equal. So first of all, we are finding slope of this line. By the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. First point is x1 y1 and second is x2 y2. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 2. Now slope of a line parallel to line 1 will be -2. Therefore, equation of a line passing through the point -1, 1 and slope -2 y minus y1 वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए, m is -2, x minus x1, x1 is -1. Two x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Question number 9th. Find the equation of a straight line joining the points this and this. Means we have to apply 2-point formula. Equation of a line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 will be given by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. For first part, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So, equation of line is y minus y1 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Just solve it. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Similar to part second. First point x1 y1 and second point x2 y2 and apply same formula. Y minus y1, equation of line. y1 is -1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x. 3x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Question number 10. Find the equation of a line whose slope is this and y-intercept is -3. अब आप इसमें डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और इसको आप स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्मूले से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. पहले हम डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व करते हैं. स्लोप मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ m is -2/7 and y-intercept means value of c is -3. So the equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. Put the values. Y is equal to m -2/7 and c is -3. Means equation of line 2x plus 7y plus 21 is equal to 0. And second method of this, y-intercept is minus 3. It means -0, -3 will be a point on that line. If y-intercept is -3, it means 0, -3 will lie on required line. Now slope and one point is known. So the equation of line will be y minus y1 mx minus x1. Put the values. y1, this is the point, that is -3. M is -2/7 slope and x1 is 0. x plus 7y plus 21 is equal to 0. Second part, inclination is 3π/4 and y-intercept is -5. आप इसको भी किसी भी मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन, फाइंड स्लोप. Inclination is 3π/4. Then slope will be tan theta, means tan 3π/4. You can write this tan pi minus pi/4 and tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta, means slope is -1. Now equation of line is, slope is this and y-intercept means value of c is -5. Equation of line will be y is equal to mx plus c, m is -1 and c is -5. X plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Question number 11. Find the equation of the line intersecting the y-axis at a distance 2 units above the horizon and making an angle 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. 2 units above the horizon, y-axis. It means line is this. अगर आप रफ पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर लेंगे तो आपके लिए बहुत इजी होगा इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करना. y इंटरसेप्ट इज गिवन एंड इंक्लिनेशन इज गिवन. आप डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं विदाउट ड्रॉइंग. Inclination is 30 degree. It means slope of line will be tan 30. 1/√3. And y-intercept, because it is above the horizon, it means it will be positive. Now equation of line will be given by y is equal to mx plus c. M is 1/√3 and c is 2. X minus √3y plus 2/√3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of required line.